Did you know that mirrors can be used to detect earthquakes? In Japan, scientists have developed a special type of mirror called the silver mirror. This mirror is coated with a thin layer of silver nitrate. When seismic waves hit, the mirror vibrates and creates patterns that can be analyzed. These patterns help scientists understand the intensity and location of the earthquake. This innovative method is part of a broader effort to improve earthquake detection and response. The silver mirror is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of science to keep us safe.